adventure time. Hey there, welcome to another Eric's Outdoor Adventure. This week I am on my favorite lake of all time, Crotch Lake. Always making an annual trip here, camping and fishing, can't be beat, great wildlife. It's the first week of July. The weather actually looks amazing for this whole week, a little bit windy. Other than that, should be good to go. I've got my camp set up. And I'm just having a little rest in the hammock before I start dinner, and then we'll get some fishing action in. Enjoy. First fish of the trip, a little pike here on the bait caster. And there we go, first fish at Crotch Lake. First bass. Back you go. All right, so starting to get a nice little bed of coals here, so I'm going to throw my dinner on. And simply what I'm doing for dinner tonight is what's called a hobo pack, and it's a camping staple I've been doing for years. Essentially, you just lay out a piece of foil, you dice up your favorite vegetables. In this case, I have carrots, red onion, green pepper, and some sweet potato. Mix it with some olive oil, salt and pepper. Lay it out on the foil. Then you take a hamburger, enough to make a burger. Put that in another bowl. Mix in your Montreal seasoning, some dry onion soup mix. Mix all that together, form like a patty. Put that patty right on top of the vegetables. Then I'll take a few spoonfuls of cream of mushroom soup, put that on top of the patty, and then wrap everything up and put it in here. And essentially what that's going to do is I'm using lean ground beef instead of extra lean because I want some extra fat. So that mushroom soup mix is going to mix with the fat from the burger meat, and it's going to form a sort of a gravy that's going to kind of drip down all over the vegetables, and it's really good. So it's very easy to do. You can pack it ahead of time. I just put it on the campfire, leave it for an hour, and come back, and usually it's ready to go. Okay, so our hobo pack is done. Coming at the right temperature here. Here we got that nice gravy there from the mushroom soup. Veggies are cooked to perfection. This is going to be a great meal. All right, time to dig in. Bon appetit. bad at all, maybe about 2 pounds, 2.5. All right, smallmouth number 2. Woo! Alright, so day number 2 here at the Crotch. It's about 8 a.m. Time to get my breakfast on. Got my oatmeal already made here, so just going to throw a little bit of blueberries in there and should be good to go. Definitely need some berries in my oatmeal. Should be a good day today. A little bit windy, so I'll probably be keeping things close to the island, but hopefully I can get some fishing this afternoon when things kind of calm down, maybe just before dinner. And tomorrow's supposed to be a gorgeous day, so I'm hoping that I can make up for whatever lack of fish I can have today, tomorrow. All right, so dinner number 2 here. It's actually raining quite a bit here, so it doesn't look like I'll be able to have a fire tonight, but it's about 6:30 p.m. and I got my sausages, some mashed potatoes and asparagus. Just throw it all in together and cook this up. There we go. Nice one. Not bad at all. Smallmouth in the rain here. Oh, we got a little jumper here. This guy's feisty. Oh, smallie in the rain, second one. Little baby largemouth. At least there's some fish in here. There you go. Might be the nicest one yet. You put up a good fight. A nice smallmouth, courtesy of the Crotch. So final night here, third night on Crotch Lake. Just finished up some fishing. Just threw on some chicken with asparagus and mashed potatoes. So this should be ready in about 20 minutes, all cooked up, and have a good final meal here. The loons are out, making quite a bit of noise tonight, so I'll make it a bit of a serenade, but pretty good day today. A little windy, a little bit of rain here and there, but not too bad. Forecast looks great for tomorrow for packing up and heading home, so at least I'm not going to have to worry about paddling through some rough weather. So we'll see how this Mediterranean chicken tastes, and then it'll be time to enjoy the last fire here at Crotch Lake in 2024. Alright, so this is it. Morning of day 4, final day here. Having my last coffee before I start packing things up, tearing down my little camp here and loading up the canoe and heading back to Ottawa. Pretty good trip. Weather was up and down, got a little bit of rain for a couple days, windier than expected, but got some smallmouth, pike and largemouth, so not too bad fishing, but definitely relaxed quite a bit, some quality hammock time, and looking forward to getting back home. All right, well, that's another Crotch Lake Camp Adventure in the books. Always a fun time. Like I said, I come out here every year. So time to head it back, and got to play baseball at 6:30 tonight. So go home, unpack, shower, have a nap, be good to go. Thanks for sticking around. All right, just make a little pit stop here on my way out of the North Frontenac Parklands. This is campsite number 2 here at Crotch Lake. It's where the Mississippi River flows into Crotch Lake, and usually when I go by, the site isn't being taken, so it's a nice little view. nice little send-off to this great trip this week.